Mr. Sunil Soni is a retired Chief General Manager from Punjab National Bank, where he was heading IT department. At present, he is a member of the Appellate Committee of Ministry of Electronics IT department. So,
security. Essentially, in case if we go on a road and if you are traversing in our own vehicle, do you think we need traffic signals? We need traffic lights? The answer is that yes, I would need it, because if I go beyond the kind of given recommendations, there are chances, it is not necessary always, but there are chances that someone will meet with an accident or there is some hiccup in the overall journey. Similarly, while we are looking at cyber security, so it is better to understand what is it that we are trying to prevent or take precaution against. So, so to say, while we say that cybercrime is a term, which is generally for any illegal activity. The first thing is, that each one of you would have heard the term called Trojan. So this is nothing but a tactic which has been, adopted by the hackers. Generally, they would create something for you which does not really look malicious, which is encapsulated by another activity. And while you click for that particular activity, which is apparently shown to you on the top of the screen, this particular Trojan gets invoked. So this is something which is concealed, does not look like harmful until you click. In the year 2016, Reserve Bank of India has issued guidelines, which is basically on information security, electronic banking, technology risk management, and cyber frauds. And this series, which started in 2011, where a lot of recommendations were made by Gopalakrishna Committee. The important thing that they said is that banks are expected to be proactive. They should proactively create, fine-tune, and modify. When I say create, it has also said that you should have a CCMP, Cybercrime Management Plan. The plan says what is expected to be done. The plan also says what happens in case if you find a breach. The plan also has to have a mechanism whereby you are also expected to identify how to respond to this. It also talks about the cybersecurity strategy. IT architecture is the cybersecurity strategy has to be in continuum, as said earlier. You have to upgrade yourself. You have to upgrade your infrastructure. You have to upgrade your stacks, and you have to upgrade the knowledge of people so that the cybersecurity strategy also remain in sync with the IT organizations as well. So your EDs, your managing directors, your directors on board, each one of them is expected to undertake a training in cybersecurity at IDRBT so that they are made aware. And once the policies are produced and placed to them, they are able to identify and understand the gravity, and also should immediately kind of give you an approvals with regard to the kind of global cybersecurity regulations. The majority of them are from US, and there is a general data protection regulation which is of European Union. This is nothing but this is a manifestation of to inform that everyone has a right, and everyone has a right to respect their private family life. And this particular demarcation in an analog era, while I say analog, it would mean that the era where the dependence on the apps and data was not much directly by the people, there the demarcation was pretty clear, which was bold. However, in today's unambiguous and blurred kind of setup, where there is no or not much demarcation between the physical and the virtual world. So